All right, so we have our portfolio widgets, blog post widgets, get Frover widget. Let's go ahead and add in the last widget, which is home to column content widget. So let's go ahead and add that to the top. Again, we have some content filled out for you. So if we save that, let's go ahead and refresh. And you'll see by default, it actually is a single column. And the way that you add in the second column is via the image in the left column. So let's go ahead and add an image real quick. Insert that into the post, save it, and refresh it. And that's how we can get this image and the content. And let's say, for instance, we use an image that isn't very tall. The text, you'll want to bring it a little bit higher. You can do so using this adjust text higher or lower. Let's go and just set that to 0 pixels instead of 80. So if we refresh that, you can see it jumped back up. And so that's how you can kind of adjust the alignment between the image and the text. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to then adjust the background color a little bit. Let's go and add in a background color, refresh. You've got yourself a background color. And of course, if you want to do other things like a background image, you can do so as well. Let's go ahead and save that. Now these are really bad images, but I'm just showing you how to add them in to customize. And let's say, for instance, there the text needs to change to light. We can save that. And the text is now light, so you can read it. And so that's actually the same widget we use in what we do and for featured work as well, and for the visit us. So you can actually add this widget in multiple times if you would like. There's tons of options in these widgets, so I recommend checking them out, playing with them. You can always just remove an option if you don't need it. Just by removing that option, it will automatically not display. And of course, if you want the image and the text switched, click that option and you'll have them switched. So these widgets, the home page, the home to column content one is extremely versatile. You can use it in tons of different areas and different configurations, with or without background images, with images, etc. So the last thing I want to go over is if you visit a different page, that widget won't display anymore, like the live preview. And to use that, it's actually called Home Widgets on All Pages. And what that means is you can use any of these home page widgets, throw them in there, and they'll display on every page, including the home page. So, for instance, that home get Frover widget, let's go and drag that into all pages. And now when you refresh your contact page or any page, it will display at the bottom, including the home page as well. So if you want a widget or multiple widgets to display on all pages, you can use that. If you just want to display on the home page, you can use home page widgets box. So definitely play around with these widgets. They'll all be labeled home if they work on home, and the options will be easy to play around with.